If you are a fitness enthusiast and have a good physical exercise, surpassing most people, you can sell your own fitness expertise to make money. If you are very good at playing games, you can teach others to play games and sell your own game skills. But what if everything is mediocre? Then look for things that have not been found in the market that have been done well and cannot be replaced. This video is divided into 2 parts. The first part explains why the things we sell should be satisfied with what has been done well, undetected, irreplaceable, and how to find them. The second part explains why this is a better way to make products than yourself. Many great enterprises, the original products were not created by the founders. So if you don't have a specialty, you don't have to be sad that you can't turn your specialty into a product and sell it to make money. There is a better way to make money, that is, to look for things that have not been found in the market, have done a good job, and cannot be replaced. First of all, here are 3 key points that have been done well, irreplaceable and undetected. All 3 are indispensable. First of all, it has been done well, which means that it has been recognized by the market. It can be sold, which is the basis for making money. Why do you want to find products that are recognized by the market? Because we want to make money now, not 3 years later, 5 years later. As long as you make money through simple modification, simple packaging, leverage, and then listing. Never find a product that is not recognized by anyone or has been proved to be a failure, so it is difficult to make money. How to be recognized by the market? For example, a breakfast shop is already doing well, and many people are queuing up. It has been proved to be well done. It is recognized by the market and can make money. At this time, you can join and get the agency right to make money. The second is irreplaceable. If such a thing is easy to be replaced, you can't make much money. You find a product and think it's good. You get the agency right, start selling, and enter the market. It sells very well, but this thing is easy to imitate. After a short time on the market, a similar one appears in the market. Products, they can complete 85% of the functions and experience of your products. It can be imagined that the profit margin of your products will go down all of a sudden. If it is easily replaced, it will not make much money. The third point is undetected. If you find a delicious breakfast restaurant, there is only one in the city, then at this time, you can get the agency right and open a branch at a very cheap price. If this store has opened all over the city, then at this time, you go to the agency. While the agency fee is very expensive, the business will also be average, because the whole city is full of this store, and the market share is small. After finding something that meets the above 3 points, it can be relisted and sold by modifying, packaging, adding leverage, etc. For example, when you are traveling abroad, you happen to find a chewing gum that tastes very good, but you don't have it in the city where you live. 3 points are available. Some people are willing to buy this chewing gum, and the customer feedback is good, indicating that it has been accepted by the market. Its unique taste is difficult to be imitated by other competitors and cannot be replaced. The city I live in has not been sold yet and has not been discovered. At this time, you can act as an agent for this chewing gum and sell it in the city where you live. So as long as you are good at finding, there are still many opportunities to make money. Now let's talk about why this method is better. It takes a long time for a good product to be recognized by the market. A good product is continuously improved from a bad product or the semi-finished product. It takes a long time before it can be sold in the market. During this period, it can't make any profit. After a long time, it has been recognized by the market. It's time to be sold in a large area in the market. The profit is a burst of growth. After a period of explosive growth, the product will come to a mature period, and the growth will become slow, not growing, or even begin to decline. As a businessman who just wants to make money, not an entrepreneur, there is no need to accompany this product through the whole process. You just need to enter when it is first recognized by the market, exit when it is mature, and continue to look for the next product that meets the conditions for sale. This is a better way to make money than you can make products. Many people who can make their own products must first survive the long failure to make money. Later, the product sales experience no growth, or even decline, founders cannot give up in time. Finally, they have exhausted their precious time in the process of no growth and decline. So you can't make the product yourself, and you don't have to be sad. You can try this way. I recommend a good way to you. I hope it will be useful to you.